like a nice refreshing blast of soda. Mix it all up. Make sure it's nice and sticky. It's not for eating, it's to clear up your face.
Ew, yuck.
Add on some cucumbers for that nice summer smell. Talk about saving face, but let's do something for your arms. Try a nice foamy soap. Make sure you brush it in. And there's always time for a manicure. Clip those nails. And wipe off that polish. After all, let's save the purple for those nails. What color should we use? How about pink? Mira swears by this shade. She uses it for highlights. And hair is basically nails anyway. Looks like Mira's found something. Hey, it's Sussy! So cute. Why don't we whip up something special for you? See? This tree makes for the perfect pad. Ooh, he's thirsty. But I don't think he does bottles. Well, at least without a little adjustment. Remember, it's important to stay hydrated. Rumi, let down your hair. Now Sussy can ride the purple swing. Hungry? We'll whip up something special for you. Try Mira's ramyun. What? You prefer tteokbokki? Maybe we can dig up a solution. Probably should call the museum. Wait a minute. Worms! Delicious, nutritious worms! They're Sussy's favorite. Bon appetit. All your hard work won't go unrewarded. The next part. Next up, we've got a little computer game for you. It's a K-pop Demon Hunters paper doll game. Sans paper. Let's start with the basics, like skin and face. That really is basic. Now let's pick a new hairdo. Rumi knows not to mess with success. And you can't go wrong with a classic outfit. But these aren't fashion dolls, they're battle bots. Use the power of that outfit to take down that Saja boy. Uh-oh, where's some cheat codes when you need them? But you just can't keep a good Huntrix girl down. We have a winner! Congrats, Rumi! 2 out of 3? Just kidding. It's time to collect your winnings. Huntrix is having fun on a summer hike. Well, that was the idea, at least. Axes. I know. Let's build a way to success. Okay, does everybody have an axe? Well then, it's time to get chopping. Wood, that is. It's time to step on out of here. Hop your way to the top. These girls can accomplish anything together. A path to lost treasure. But which one do we take? We just want to make sure it's safe. Make a little ball and roll it on down. This will help us find which path is the safest route. Let's hope that third time's the charm. Oh, the treasure is so close, but so far away! We need special symbols to help open the lock. Well, it's clear it's time for us to go fishing.
Ew.
We need a starfish, a shell, and a guppy. And a few little extra items on the way. The treasure is ours! And we've got the final part!
Phew.
Seatbelts on, the maiden voyage can commence. Now that's what I call an entrance. Okay, Saja boys, you're a great opening act. But it's time for the real show to begin. Because, above all else, these girls are golden. They're popular. But it's always best to know your audience.
Oops.
Oh no! They're demons! Now, to be fair, the poster did warn us. It gets worse! They brought tomatoes! Ah, watch out! How dare they use noodles for evil! But there's no need to go wiggly on us. Oh, don't cry! The K-pop demon hunters are always here to help.
Wow.
And just think of Mira here as your very own fairy godmother. First things first, let's do something about this hair. Seriously, pink and purple heads just have more fun. But let's try some special mousse. Au natural. Thanks, Gary. Ah, smells just like bikini bottom. Just run it through your hair. Aha! Now doesn't that look slick? Next, why don't we try a nice classic braid? But braids are like pretzels. Go big or go home.
Oops.
Maybe it could use a little something. Aha! Derpy's got the right idea. Let's add some cotton. Soon, you'll have a braid that'll make Rapunzel green with envy. Of course, you are going for Rumi's look. So we need to add a whole lot of purple.
Wow.
Violet is your color. And look, it sparkles. Just make sure you watch your step around here.
Uh-oh.
Well, at least you landed on something yellow. Hey, you okay? Well, just stay where you are. This is the perfect time to draw a silhouette. Looking good. You can get up now.
Phew. Oh.
Wow, it's already a perfect likeness. But we're gonna need something to cut things out. Don't worry, Mira's got a sharp touch. It comes with her sharp tongue and razor-sharp wit. Try on your new jacket. Now let's add some cool decor. Who says pop stars can't also rock? But we really need to rock and roll for our next craft. A cool spiky turtle shell shoulder pad. I think we've deserved a little dance break. Really shouldn't leave your weapon unsupervised. Guess when Mira's away, new Rumi will play. Careful where you aim that. Almost gave me a haircut. Hey, hands to yourself and off the cool tool.
Oops.
But your new jean shorts are where it's at. Or is it a skort? Once again, we need to add some Huntrix bling. Just grab an iron and they'll stick to it. Try it on. You already know that it fits. And yet, it still looks better than before. Your fashion's on fire. But let's do something about that skin. Sussy the Magpie has got just the thing. A flashlight. Just wrap it up with foil. Soon, we'll have a brand new Huntrix light stick. Great for concerts and blasting some blemishes. Aha! Now your skin is as smooth as silk. I think it's time for a little lunch break. Let's see. Candy, ramyun, chips. A demon hunter needs her energy. Ah, there's nothing wrong with switching things up. Though it's always best just to ask first. Especially when you don't know what you're eating. This is why some people add cheese to ramen. Looks like Mira's trying out the Cinderella look.
Wow.
But our new Rumi wants some different markings on her face. Just give it time to let those temp tattoos stick. Next up, let's try these special lollipops. Wow! These things work better than contacts. Try them out until you pick your favorite color. Want it to last? We need the special stuff. Great! And who says things need to match? Now clear the table. Your eyes could use a little pampering. Here's something for your lashes. And your eyebrows. Just remember, sometimes less is more. Gesundheit. You just need a little something extra. What do you think? You think it's a bit much?
Oops.
Let's fix things up. Hey, a little privacy, please.
Wow.
The important thing is expressing yourself. But maybe we should think outside the lipstick. Here's a classic secret. Lip paper. Thanks, Mira.
Cool.
Hey, are those the Saja boys? Mira doesn't look so good. Well, while she's distracted, let's move on to a new craft. Draw 6 leaf shapes and then cut them out. Ooh, shiny! Now unravel some yarn or string. Twist it around and make some cuts. Soon you'll have your very own tassels. Let's bring them together. Hey Mira, what do you think? She thinks it could use a little trim. Now you've got a stylish pair of new earrings. But if you want to be a real demon hunter, you're going to need your very own weapon. We need to cut up pieces of cardboard. Put it together like a puzzle to make a sword. Of course, Huntrix likes things golden. And no one's gonna complain about any glitter. It could still use a little magic touch. When it comes to swords, the bigger, the better. Just make sure you can still carry it. Maybe you should try it out. Watch out, Derpy. It's harder than it looks. But don't worry. All you need is practice. And you can't forget the most important part, striking a really cool pose. You look great. Bobby would be proud. I honestly think you could fool Celine. But now, it's time to take on those Saja boys. Let's teach these bullies not to mess with a girl's wig. Okay, boys, who wants to dance next? Yeah, you'd better run away. You did it! Now strike a pose.